Hi everyone, it's Deb. I am here with two little hauls. They're not Stampin' Up. One was a D-Stash haul, which is this package. I forget the lady's name. Rosita, I think. Hang on. Yes, Rosita. If I can remember her YouTube channel, I'll link it down below. But she was selling some of NYX items because NYX is moving. Many of you know who she is, and I'll link her channel down below also. Anyway, she's destashing a lot of stuff and has enlisted the help of some other crafty friends to help do it. So I just bought a few things. I didn't go hog wild, but it was like you had to try and get it, and others could bid on it also, or say they wanted it. So I didn't get everything that I wanted, but I got a lot. I mean, not a lot, but some. But I first want to show you, I also ordered excuse me, from Peachy Cheap, a Simple Story Stencil Mega Pack on June 1st. And I got that yesterday, June 6th. And this is it. They're all 6x6 stencils. Some of them are kind of yellowed. I don't know if they're supposed to be like that. Oh, well, that's just the packaging. So maybe they're, well, it says 2021. So I don't know. But the first one is these pineapples. It's called number 12723 Simple Vintage Coastal 6x6 Stencil. And this is what it looks like. So I love stencils. I'm going to try and be using more of them. So this one is called Sunshine. I thought that was kind of cool too. And I have some actually Stampin' Up! Sentiments that'll go nice with that. And then Herringbone, which is nice if you want just some texture looks on whatever your project is. Cards, art journal, whatever. And this one is Direction Arrows. Oh, I haven't been giving you the numbers. Herringbone was 15526. And Sunshine is 15125. I think I gave you the pineapple one. So Directional Arrows is 14826. And it looks like that. That would be good for like travel or I don't know, anything in a journal, in a planner even. And then this one's just an all-around pattern called Retro Diamonds. Be a nice background. I like that they're 6x6 because then you can use them on a 6x6 or a 5x5 or a 4x6 card. Mostly I make A2 and 4x6, but you know, I'm gonna try and get into some other things, so we'll see. This one's called Aztec. I love this one. These last two coming up are my favorites so far. I mean, before using them at all. And that's number 15421. And that's what it looks like. That would make a nice, like a sweater print. Or if you want to do a southwestern kind of thing. Ooh, I just got an idea for that. It is called Aztec. And this one I love. It's called Magical Fireworks. Number 14226, and there you have it. I love that one, the fireworks one. I think I'd probably have to use finger daubers with this because I would probably want the stars to be gold or yellow, and then the fireworks can be all different colors, you know, or maybe not, you know, maybe I'd do something different. But wouldn't that be pretty on a dark background, such as the color Starry Sky by Stampin' Up! With some embossing paste colored in like crushed curry or I don't know, something. Anyway, or just blending brushes or daubers. Or what do you call it? Versamark, and then heat emboss them. Ooh, that just gave me an idea. I may have to try that. Anyway, you get the idea. So this was their deal. If you're not familiar with Peachy Cheap, they send you an email every day except Sunday with their deal of the day, and they also have a planner deal of the day. This was their deal of the day for June 1st, but it's only available that day and while supplies last. Sometimes they sell out and offer a separate one. This was $12.99 plus $3.99 shipping in the US. So I hate the shipping, but you know, what are you gonna do? Everywhere now the shipping's gone up. I just got my trash and recycle bill, and they have a fuel surcharge on it now of $20 for the quarter, but that's up from like $10 last quarter, so it's just ridiculous. But anyway, all right, so the next thing is, excuse me, the next thing is the package I got from NYX through Rosita. Well, I don't want to give her last name because I can't remember if it's in her channel, but I love this stencil. I was so happy I got this. It's like a tree if you do it, you know, this way, or it could just look like lightning strikes or something coming down if you do it this way. So this is by thecraftersworkshop.com, TCW. I don't know them. And I paid $4.50 for this one. I don't know what they usually run, but you can see it even says for mixed media, card making, doodling, tracing, stenciling, quilting, sponging, stippling, I don't even know what that is, spritzing, chalking, and more. Very cool. They call it a template. I call it a stencil or a mask. Okay, I'm just going to get everything out of this package, and then I'll go over it with you. Oh, I'm so glad she wrote the prices on here. And somewhere I have the actual receipt, but this has to go down in my recycle bin. So I got this. It's rickrack. I don't need a lot of trim, but I like that it's red with some sparkles on it, because that would be nice for like 4th of July here in the United States, where we use red, white, and blue, or for Christmas with the red. So I like that a lot, and I paid $1.50 for that. Decorative trim, originally from Hobby Lobby, 2011. NYX was doing this longer than me, I think. Then I got these, they look like, it's called Darling Divas, Michaels apparently. This might have been when they had the dollar bins. It was $1.50, but they're handbags, purses. See, and you can paint them, you know, gesso and paint them. They're kind of cool. They'd probably be a little too heavy to use as an earring, but that would be kind of cool. Anyway, I also managed to get, now I've had something like this before, but I think they were smaller. And these were originally $2.99. I did pay $2 for them. I don't know. Michael's dollar bin went up to $1.50. I don't even know if they don't even have those anymore. I don't think. I haven't been. This is 8 pieces. They're both 8 pieces. So anyway, I got these. I think I got something else. Yeah, 2 of these, I think. Winky and Dutch, never heard of that. Machine washable, made in the USA, but they are cats. So this one is real cat faces, which I thought is just adorable. I have a black and white tuxedo, but she's not fluffy like that. And then this one is Crazy Cat Lady, and then the faces with the whiskers, and these are buttons. But I won't probably use them like buttons. I'll probably use them like, I don't know, jewelry pieces maybe? Especially these ones. I don't know how I'll use them, but I just had to have them. These were $2, and it's a set of 3. They're connectors. So these I'll use probably for like a vintage jewelry piece. They're pearls with like a crystal in the middle. Sort of like a silvery gray, almost like a hematite color. Crystal in the middle. Some little silver rounds, and then the pearls on them, and they're on a silver back. And then these I had to have because they're blue. Recollections, and I got them for $2.50. I don't know what they used to run. It says plaster of Paris. I don't think that's right. Anyway, really pretty florals. And I normally would not use these on cards, but maybe bag toppers and things like that, or boxes. And then lastly, I got this 1 yard of trim. And again, I wouldn't use this on cards, but other decorative things. It is acrylic trim. The only problem I have is how to attach it. I think I'll have to stitch it on, you know, up and down between, because I don't think hot glue would be good with the acrylic. Yeah, so that's what I got to try and help my friend Nix, who's moving. I think there's going to be another sale coming up soon. And like I said, I will link the, I'll link Peachy Cheap if you want to look into signing up for that, daily emails, except on Sundays, for their deals. They have paper, they have mega packs of stickers, they have planning goodies in the planning one. Sometimes they have markers. I can't even, I don't remember, because I really, honestly, most of the time I've been deleting, and for some reason on that day, June 1st, I just said, well, let me check it out, and it happened to be stencils, and I'm like, okay. I have a whole iris bin full of stencils, so I'm going to start using them more, though, than I have. And but for this month, because I'm still a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I am going to probably be using the ones from Stampin' Up! The new ones coming out in the new catalog called Artistic Mixed Decorative Masks. I have a hair stuck on there, sorry. Yeah, so we'll probably use that. Okay, that's it, everyone. I have to put these away, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.